services even in this airport and elsewhere.
Meanwhile, the tourism sector has received a major boost after the arrival of some 80 dental team from Canada. Now, the team is scheduled to tour various tourism sites across the country with the aim of exploring the magical Kenya, and is a partnership with Twiga Tours in the country. Now, this as the tourists praised the move by Kenya to abolish visa requirements. Take a look.
Since Kenya announced the removal of visa requirement to enter into the country, the tourism sector has received major boost as the number of tourists has increased. A dental team arrived in the country from Canada and has kicked off the tour Tuesday as they seek to explore the country.
And this is a big group of 86 people, 43 are dentists, and then their spouses. So we hope to provide them with a wonderful experience, a wow experience.
We know quite a bit about Kenya back at home, and we want everyone to experience the wonderful beauty of this country. And we're coming back.
This is the first group of the dental team, with more groups from Canada scheduled to tour Kenya soon. The removal of visa requirement applauded.
Visa requirements which the government has introduced will certainly help increase the number of passengers coming into Kenya. We are looking forward to that a lot.
As long as entry and access is easy, we hope to see more tourists. The ETA, by the way, was very quick compared to the visas. Visas would usually take about 24 hours. ETA, we managed to get some issued without any assistance within less than an hour.
The tour, organized in association with the Twiga Tours, one of the top tour companies in the country, offering safari experiences.
Twiga Tours, we have been working with them for over 35 years. They provide excellent service. As you know, Twiga has won many awards every year for the best tour operating company, and Minaz Manji is very well connected with the Tourism Kenya, is an advisor to the government of Kenya on tourism policies.
Want to enjoy a luxury safari experience, a budget safari experience, there's something for everyone. So if you're looking to do a safari, Magical Kenya is your destination.
However, the team has urged government to regulate the charges to ensure more tourists come into the country.
You know, if the price keeps going up, at some point, you know, people are going to say, you know, maybe not this year. Yeah. Doing it through that is sometimes counterproductive.
According to the government, tourist numbers are expected to increase even more in 2024 as the country aims more than 5 million tourist arrivals by 2028. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Now, two things struck me about